Hi everyone, this is Rumah Aceh, which is located in Banda Aceh. Aceh is very beautiful city. They have beautiful white beach, still very pristine. They have blue sky. There's no pollution here. And I would like to introduce Rumah Aceh to you guys. You can have nice lunch with traditional Acehese food, which is superb. With the fried chicken, the fried kampung chicken is super delicious. And in Rumah Aceh, this is one of the coffee that made by the owner. So you can see how they produce the coffee from the grilling until they make it ready for the drink. Yeah? And then one of their innovation, this is a bird nest combination with coffee milk, which is truly nice, especially if you drink it cold. So I have tasted, this is actually my second bottle. You can taste the coffee still, but it's also very rich and not really that sweet. So I would like to recommend whoever, one, please come to Aceh. It's really gorgeous places. And then please visit Rumah Aceh.